Peace and love, family. What's going on? Been making money with Forex, man. Shit's been good, as y'all about to see. But first, before we get into that, I've been putting in a lot of work. I did a lot of, studying and hunting and researching and stuff to get y'all a bunch of good tools and resources and hook y'all up the best way I can so y'all can hop on this Forex shit and start making money like me. Cause this Forex shit is like, it's really powerful. It's a whole lot of, scamming going around with it, but there's a whole lot of potential for it and a whole lot of potential to make a lot of money and get yourself up at a bad spot, like I was and shit. And this shit is really out here changing people's lives, You can turn this into a whole stream of income. So what I have is, so check the description. I got the free Forex beginner's guide that'll help, even if you are, intermediate, even expert, whatever, any level, the guide probably have some stuff in there you haven't seen before. Extremely helpful. So check out the Forex beginner's guide, Next, I got a double sale going on, guys. Double sale going on. I've been, trading and stuff, and a lot of people hit me up, and, the best way I can just quickly, get you on board and shit, is with the signals. Double sale going on usually is, $10 a month, which is already, a deal on sale. I'm just doing it fucking $10 flat out one time for lifetime membership, on the Telegram service, and I'll send you the signals, $10, that's it. I don't really care about this bread. My thing is I'm trying to make millionaires, I'm about to be one, and I'm trying to make some more. Come along with me on this ride and shit. So boom, got the $10 signals, you can do Cash App, PayPal, credit or debit, just check the link in the description, click on that. It'll give you all the directions, regardless of how you're paying. So that'll let you know what you need to do. Click that. Yeah, for the Forex signals. Then I found Forex robot. If you really, not comfortable, putting in the work yourself, you could take it a step further and easier, even easier than this signal, They got a Forex robot that'll trade for you. It has high accuracy trades that it takes and places, and it sends you alerts and signals, whether it be email on your phone and stuff like that, and then it marks up charts and stuff like that for you and shows you, pretty much this is the, guides you, takes you baby step through and shows you how to trade, if you really, really need help, so check the description for that as well. And then the last thing, I put together a risk management guide plus a trading plan, some people have been asking me for trading plans and stuff like that. And so I put together a little, a little plan to show you how you can trade and taking a low amount of pips and just daily compounding, a small account with the proper risk that you should be applying, for trading Forex. You want to always, each trade only risk 1 to 3% of your account, so whatever your account size is, 1 to 3% of that, per trade is how you should, properly be trading, but people, take higher risk than that, to flip accounts and stuff like that, I do it or whatever, but that's not what you should be doing, So, put that together, so check the description for that as well. And yeah, a lot of people have been asking, like, oh, can you get rich off signals? Like, when I first started off, that was the case. I started off as a full-time, teacher's aide. I'm at school, I'm working at a school all day teaching. So I don't have the time to be scanning the charts and watching it all day, So literally I, get a signal, check it out. Okay, boom, that's a winner. Let me go ahead and take it, make my bread for the day. Okay, boom, I check it out. Oh, that's not a winner. That's not looking too good, you know. Boom, I ain't gonna take it, and I'm cool. The problem is with signals where people foul up, you know, all it is who are you getting these signals from? You know what I mean? I was, you know, paying good money to get signals and trade with people that have six-figure accounts and millionaires, you know, real shit. So it's like, why not, you know, just get the cheat codes and mimic what they doing, see what they doing, you know what I mean? But at the same time, another problem with that is you taking signals and not knowing what's going on, and not knowing how to trade. So when you just copy and pasting, and then you get sent a signal, you know what I mean? You just copy and pasting, and then boom, you get a loser, you start losing, and you don't know why. It's because you don't have the ability to spot a bad trade, you know what I mean? So so you gotta know how to trade, you know what I mean? So it's important. I always knew how to trade before I took signals. You know, I'll be looking at them, boom, oh, I ain't gonna take that. And I'll be trading on my own. I'm about to take a trade, and then boom, I get a signal for it, you know what I mean? So so that's all it is with the signals. That's the truth on that. But yeah. So what else? Yeah, that's pretty much it. Go ahead and check out me taking this account to 762 bones. Yeah, here we go. All right, so boom, here we go. What we on? NASDAQ. Hit them with the 0.2Z. All right. So we at 300 right now. 300. And I just hopped in the market. I knew that NAS was about to go up, so. And this is, yeah, I'm gonna tell y'all about this this new strategy I'm using now, y'all. This is I just use moving averages, you know. Ichimoku Cloud as well. It works great. And now I'm using moving averages as well too. So yeah, I'll teach y'all about that and show y'all how to set that up and probably do another video. But yes, with the 327 now. Going up, up, up. Right. Going back down for now. That joint about to go back up for the long run. But I'm just scalping NASDAQ, taking the little quick partials. So yeah. Just scalping the NASDAQ. Still going up. It's just while it goes up, you know, I'll do like a 0.1 or 0.2. And then while it's going up, I'll just, you know, take partials, you know, instead of placing, well, rather than take a partials, I'll just, you know, do one little trade, boom, and go up, then close it, and then keep doing that. Probably sounds dumb, yeah, that's just what I was doing at that time. Just catching a couple pips. Just catching small pips, amounts off the little movement. Yeah, just be careful with these indices when you got small account sizes. It's real risky. Probably have at least like 500 to start trading indices. You know, you can still trade indices with like a damn 50, $100, but probably like 80, $100. But you don't really want to do that, you know, obviously. I always want to make sure our risk is good. Sometimes, you know, right now I'm just hopping in the market and I'm just knowing that it's going to go up. So I'm just like, you know, risking it all, boy. But nah, it is. But nah, I just, you know, at times you're more confident in the market, obviously. So it's like, yeah, that's when you want to take that higher risk if you really trust your analysis. So that's what I'm just doing right now. I'm just like, boy, I know these patterns and seen it 100 times, 1,000 times. I know what it's about to do. And that's what it is. You'll find that you probably start trading the same setups, you know. Find setups that work for you best, and then that's kind of how, you know, traders have their own type of different, you know, trading style. Because they find, you know, they all have their different little setups that they like. Yeah, still going up. So 23, 16, 7. Yeah, made about good 40, $50 real quick. Now we on gold. Yeah, boy, gold looking good. Yeah, that was real risky. I really should have done it. You know what I'm saying? When you know, you know. Yeah. So boom, hit the 400. Got it from the 300 to the 400. Quick 50 on gold. Those little big lot sizes, you know, that you don't really do like that. All right. On gold again. Yeah, when the black and green cross, I'm knowing it's about to go up. And eventually probably cross the red or touch the red. All right, boom. So I missed, you know, from 400 to 700. Now we at 700. I don't always be screenshotting, recording all that. Sometimes them little, of course, them damn little milliseconds will make a big difference. So I'm like, I ain't got time always to be. But we at 700 now. Boom. So I was messing with GBP, JPY. Started getting crazy. You see the lots. You see all the risk. Yeah. You don't want to ever really do that, right? I don't recommend none of this, but when you know, you know, like I always, you know. Like I said before, so yep, And we ended up at $762, and that's where it's at right now. All from 300, and that was just in a couple days. So this Forex shit powerful, y'all. Don't ever knock it. Love y'all. Peace.